Okay, student. In our previous video, the preparation of the chlorine, that means halogen family for chlorine, and two chemical properties, and then remaining chemical properties discussed for in this video. Okay, so reaction with the alkali, like that it is a base. Alkali is nothing but base. So like sodium hydroxide and a water molecule, it is also one of the base water also. Okay, so chlorine to react with the water molecule to form hydrogen chloride and a HOCl. Like that, HCl to react with the sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and a water molecule. Further, HOCl, oxychloride, hydrogen oxychloride or hydroxychloride to react with NaOH to form NaOCl. So these are the three steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. These are the overall 3 steps we have had for this overall reaction. This is a simple. First to react with water, further to react with a strong base to produce for NaOH, sodium oxychloride, NaOCl, sodium hypous chloride. So chlorine to react with the base. Alkali is nothing but base, like NaOH base. So sodium hydroxide, two molecules of sodium hydroxide to produce for the NaOCl, sodium hypous chloride or sodium oxychloride. This is one of the reaction. So next reaction also we have prepared, but now discuss only for the overall the reaction also first. After that, step 1, 2, 3 also. So chlorine to react with the excess amount of base to react for the NaClO3, also NaCl, also H2O. So in this reaction, a similar reaction type, but take for the excess amount. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 steps to form excess amount to produce for the NaClO3 compound to produce. So it is a simple method preparation. Then side properties of chlorine gas. So next preparation of bleaching powder by using the chlorine gas. Very important. It is the cheapest compounds by using various places. It is called a disinfectant, one of the reagent. So calcium hydroxide to react with the chlorine gas to produce for the CaOCl2, a calcium oxychloride. It is a hypous chloride. It is also called bleaching powder. So it is very important the compound. What is the formula for the bleaching powder? CaOH twice and Cl2 and CaOCl2 and then H2O. That is the compound. Further, displacement reaction. One place replaced to add for the another compound. Like chlorine gas to react with the KBr. Okay, this Br is a one halogen compound. So displaced for the chlorine to come for another compound. So 2 KCl plus Br2. So this bromine is removed to occupy the chlorine gas to form KCl. Similar chlorine to react with the K, another common potassium iodide. Iodide is to form iodine. I2 is liberated also to form KCl. It is a displacement reaction. So we have produced for the many other KCl salt like KCl and then like this bromine and then iodine molecules. This is a displacement reaction. And then also next formation of the addition compounds. Addition compounds. That means we have added chlorine, we add for the SO2, what happens, and then chlorine add for the CO carbonate, what happens, also C2H4, methane, also C6H. It is an addition compound maximum. You see Cl2 chlorine to add for the SO2, sulfur dioxide to form SO2Cl2 compound is formed. Sulfuryl chlorine, SO2Cl2 is a form. For the chlorine to react with carbonyl CO to form carbonyl chloride, it is called phosgene. This another is called as a carbonyl chloride. It is called phosgene. It is a poisonous gas. It is a more important. It is a poisonous gas. Also to form the ethylene, C double bond C. It is also ethylene nitrogen. 2 molecules of hydrogen are present to form the chlorine gas. That means I can write Cl. One chlorine addition for here, another chlorine addition for here. So to form C2H4Cl compounds. Ethylene dichloride is a form. Further, methane to react with the chlorine, also methyl chloride, also benzene to react with the so chlorine gas. It is an organic reaction. It is a familiar reaction. It is to form chlorobenzene. It is addition compounds only. So these are the simple properties. Also another oxidizing and bleaching action. Oxidizing. So here coloring matters is called nascent oxygen. It is called a nascent oxygen. This oxygen is called single oxygen is called a nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen to form coloring matter to form colorless oxidation product is a form. So here very simple. I take a 3 compound. I write only for the overall reaction, not for the step by step. Here Fe2 plus ferrous is converted to the Fe. Ferrous is converted to the ferric. Here iron acts as a Fe2 plus. Here iron acts as a Fe3 plus. That is called ferric. It is also ferrous. So ferric salt Fe Cl2 also Cl2 ferric salt is converted to the ferrous salt is converted to the ferric salt. Is called oxidizing behavior. That means loss of electron. Here Fe2 plus 1 electron is a loss to form Fe3 plus. Also here also Fe ferrous sulfate is also Fe2 plus. Here also convert to for the Fe3 plus. So ferrous sulfate is converted to the ferric sulfate. It is oxidizing for the bleaching action by using this oxygen. Another is sulfide. Here sulfide. Sulfide here sulfate. That means sodium sulfate is converted to a sodium sulfate. It is a oxidizing action of the bleaching action. So Na2S is sodium sulfide. It is a sulfide. It is short form. The sulfide is converted to the sulfate by using the chlorine. It is also hydrogen sulfide. Sulfide converted to the sulfur. So these are the main action of oxidizing, bleaching action of the oxidizing power. So these are the chemical properties of the chlorine molecules. Some uses, it is a manufacture of the bleaching powder. So to bleach for the salt and then etc. So that's all. Okay student, thank you.